1Password makes it easy to securely share important information with your team. You can create new vaults to organize your team's information and give people access to the items they need. To get started, sign into your account on 1password.com. On your homepage, click New Vault and give your new vault a name. You can also add an icon and description. When you're done, click Create Vault. Now that you have a new vault, you can share it with others, either individually or as a group. Click Manage in the People or Groups section and select the people or groups you want to share it with. I want to share this vault with the folks in our Toronto office, so I'll select them and click Update. Everyone you share the vault with can view and edit items in it right away, but it's easy to change permissions for a specific person or group if you need to. Just click the Settings icon. If you use 1Password Teams, you can choose from View, Edit and Manage. If you use 1Password Business, you'll see additional permissions for more granular control. For example, to make sure people can't accidentally delete items or export them from the vault, turn off Move Items to Trash, Export Items, and Copy and Share Items. Now everyone in the Toronto office will have access to everything that gets added to the vault. Try it on your own and discover all the ways 1Password makes it easy to organize information and share it with your team. For more helpful videos like this, visit support.1password.com or subscribe to the 1Password channel on YouTube.